Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. Let us see what is coming up, guys. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys, and then I'll be picking that angel guidance card, one card at last from the angel guidance deck. Six of Wands, Ace of Wands, Five of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, Sun. Aquarius, the energy with these cards is that, guys, you are in a state where you see your accomplishments. You are really happy, content. You are seeing some new beginning, some kind of beginning. It may concern your work, some new projects or some new job that is extremely profitable and lucrative, or you are signing some deals. Something new is coming in, guys. Maybe this new energy may be in your relationship also. You may find a new person, or this relationship may deepen. If you are already in a relationship with this person, you are you are deepening your relationship with this person. You are happy for what is there in this relationship, and you are trying to take it forward, guys. There will be struggles and stress in any relationship, guys, and in any work, day-to-day work. There are a lot of struggles and stress, but you are seeing past that, and you are seeing the goals. You're seeing your success within your reach. So you are seeing the path to reach those goals, guys. That is also the energy here. And you are having a strenuous competition or struggle in your work. So maybe someone is competing with you, or you are competing with someone in your work or your business. You may be having many competitors, but with these cards I definitely see success for you all, guys. So though you are struggling hard, you are having many competitors, you are going to reach that success. This is a very favorable card, guys, the Sun card and Ace of Wands. So you are feeling that sense of accomplishment, and you are feeling really fortunate for how things are turning out in your life, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may get some great news, maybe something that gives you great hope and joy. This may be in your work or in your relationship. Maybe this person, just like I was saying, you may be trying to deepen this relationship. Maybe they are coming to propose to you, or you may be planning to propose to them, and they will accept that proposal, guys. That may also be the energy here. So you are having that confidence and hope in this relationship, and you want to take it forward. Or in your work, this may denote some successful completion of certain projects, that you are seeing the completion. You are not yet completed, but you are seeing the path that you need to take towards that successful completion, and you are really happy for it. So that may also be the energy here, Aquarius. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, Aquarius. And in this relationship with this person, you are feeling extremely happy, guys. That contentment is there, and you feel you are fortunate to have this relationship, to have this happiness, enjoy this happiness with this person. Just being with that person, you are really happy. So that is what you feel about this relationship, guys. So let us see what is the energy with the other cards. What is the energy? So I'll be picking a few cards from this deck, guys. Then I'll be giving your angel guidance message at last. Aquarius, the troubles may be the struggles or stress you would have faced, maybe because of you not leaving your comfort zone to go out into something new to work, or you are you want to go out but you are not going out, guys, going out of your comfort zone. So that may be the reason for the stress, some kind of struggles that you're facing, but you are definitely overcoming, guys. That is what I said. You had the Sun card, and maybe some people are trying to use you, guys, use you for your skills and efforts, and they may not give you the credit that is due to you. They may use your efforts for their benefit. So you may feel robbed, or you may feel at loss at times because of them. This may be somebody from your work or your job situation. Someone, they may be using your skills and they may be taking credit for your efforts. So you feel that loss, you feel that you're being robbed of your time and energy for nothing. So that may be the reason for that struggle I was talking about with the other cards. But this person is definitely loyal to you, guys. They have this great understanding and love for you, and you share a mutual bond. You want to deepen this relationship, and you feel you can trust each other, you can rely on each other, and you feel this is a positive relationship, guys, and you want to take it forward with a proposal or with marriage. That is also the energy here with these cards, Aquarius. So whatever you desire in work, a certain completion of projects, or in your relationship, a marriage, or getting engaged to this person, being with this person, or just moving in with them. So whatever it is that you want, that is coming towards you, guys. So I'm seeing a very positive change for you all, Aquarius. Maybe you would have people who are using you. Maybe you are scared to move out of your comfort zone and work towards your success, but you are overcoming all that, guys. So a very positive set of cards here. That is what I feel. So let us see what the angels are guiding us with today. Be accommodating. Aquarius, the energy with this angel card is that, guys, at times you have to put aside your own feelings in order to deal with a situation properly or a person properly. So at the same time, we should not give up in what we believe. We should be able to understand and listen to other people's point of view before taking a proper decision. So when you have that communication with the other person, you will automatically get a better understanding, and you will know what choice you need to make in that situation, guys. So that is what the angels are trying to guide us with today, guys, Aquarius. So you need to have an open mind to listen to others and to see the situation from a different viewpoint, from the viewpoint of the person. So we will know, we will automatically get the better clarity in our situation. We will have that flexibility and understanding, guys. So that is what the angels are trying to guide us with today, Aquarius. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.